Hey guys, and welcome back. Today's video is a review and try on of a new product that I received from Influenster. Now, if you do not know what this is, it is an app that basically you sign up for free and you review items that you purchase, whether it be makeup, food, alcohol, things like that. And then in return, you kind of build yourself a profile. And with that, Influencer chooses people to receive what they call Vox boxes. And that's items that you receive that are new products that are launching that you can basically try on or taste and whatnot, and then you write your review online. So today I have received from Influencer, now this is not sponsored or anything, I do have to make it known that I did receive this product for free from them, and I'm going to try it on and see what my thoughts are on this new product. So the product that I received is new from Benefit, is the Brow Contour Pro. Basically, it's a 4-in-1 pencil that comes with a defining and a highlighting brow pencil. So this is what the outside packaging looks like, and I have it in the shade Brown Light. Now, it does come with 5 different shade ranges. You have Blonde Light, Brown Medium, Brown Black Light, and Brown Black Deep. So I do feel like that is a really good shade range. Now this is what the pen looks like. It kind of looks like those pens you had back in middle school that had like the different colors that you push down to like write with. You felt so cool that you had like 5 different colors that you could write with one pen. Basically the pen has a lighter shade, a deeper shade, the definer, and then the highlighter. And on the back of the card that I was sent, it kind of tells you what these 4 different shades are used for. So the lighter shade, of course, is to do the front of your brow. The darker is to do the tail end of your brow. And then the definer is to kind of carve out those brows if you want to do so. And then the highlighter, obviously, is to highlight the arch of your brow to give you that lifted effect. These launched online on the 7th, but they will not be in stores until the 24th, and that's anywhere that Benefit is sold. They will retail for $34 as well. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to cut to a clip of me applying it, and then at the end I'll kind of give my thoughts on, how hard I thought it was to apply, how the shade kind of matched my eyebrows, and what, my final thoughts are on spending $34 on this product. I do also want to say a quick thank you to Influencer for sending this to me. Starting out a YouTube channel, it's hard to get your hands on products that haven't launched or that are about to launch, and you kind of want to stay ahead of the game with that. So viewers come to you whenever they see new products are coming out. So thank you, Influencer, for sending me this, and that's enough with the babbling. So let's just cut to the tutorial of me applying it, and then I'll give my thoughts at the end. So if you like these kind of videos, remember, give me my thumbs up, as well as please subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get into this. Okay, so the first thing that I do when I do my brows is I kind of comb through them. So after I combed through those, I went in with the lighter shade and I just kind of made flicking up motions like I would normally do in the front of my brow. And I used the darker shade to kind of carve out the ends of my brow and then fill it in as well. And I used a spoolie to kind of comb it through periodically. Now I did try to kind of work the 2 shades together so it wasn't such a blunt transition between the first to the second. I will say I think my brows are a little bit darker than they normally are, and I went with the shade Brown Light. So if you go by what you would go with your Precisely My Brow pencil, it's probably not going to be accurate because I have the 4 in the pencil, and then the Brown Light is the number 2 with this contour pencil. So that might be something that you want to keep in mind. You might need to go a shade lighter or so. So after I kind of filled in my brows with the lighter and the darker shades, I went in with the definer just a little bit towards the tail end of my brow just to kind of carve that out and make it a little bit more precise. And after that, I went with the highlight to highlight the arch of my brow to give me that lifted effect. As far as my thoughts go, I think this product is awesome. I mean, you have 4 different steps in one pen for the price of $34. And if you think about it, a lot of times people use different shades on their eyebrows to make it look the most natural as possible. So you're saving money in that aspect. One tip that I would give is if you do have the Precisely My Brow pencil, and you want to try out this Contour Pro, I would go a shade lighter because I think that this Contour Pro was a little bit darker than my pencil. Another tip is when you first use each shade, there's a little twist at the top that you have to twist the product to come out. Otherwise, at first I just started, I was like, there's nothing coming out, and it was because I needed to twist the product out to the top of the applicator. So as far as this product does go for me, I'm definitely going to keep using it. Now again, it's available online currently, but it won't be available in stores until the 24th. So if you want to get your hands on it, you might just want to order it online. But if you want to make sure that you have the proper shade, then you would have to wait until the 24th. Alright, well that about sums it up for me because I have kids in my makeup currently. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.